Hello, QuickBooks users and business owners. Welcome back to our channel. I am very much excited today because we are diving into a topic that's crucial for efficient teamwork and secure financial management, adding and managing users in QuickBooks Online. But before we dive in, do us a favor, really, guys. Smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content and keep you on the loop. Now, adding users allow multiple team members to access and work on the same QBO accounts simultaneously. This facilitates collaboration among employees, accountants, and advisors. Now, different users can handle various tasks simultaneously, improving, of course, workflow efficiency. Like, for example, one user can manage invoicing while another reconciles bank transactions. So you have a controlled access. Now, QuickBooks Online provides different user roles and permissions, allowing you to control what each user can or cannot do within the platform. This enhances data security, which of course prevents unauthorized access to sensitive financial information, which is confidentiality, right? So you have a customized access. User roles can customize match specific job responsibilities. Like, for example, you can grant view-only access to certain users, limiting their ability to make changes, while others can have full access to edit transactions. You got to have the chance to check the audit trail, real-time updates, remote access, scalability, and last but not the least is the third-party collaboration because QuickBooks Online integrates with many third-party applications and services. Multiple users nowadays can, leverage these integrations to streamline various aspects of business operations. And it reduces the risk of data loss to hardware failures or accidents. No, it automatically backs up your data. So that's a really convenient, providing an extra layer of security. Now, depends really on the version that you are using. Mine is you all you got to do is go to the upper right hand corner where you can see the tool icon here. Click that. Beneath the account and settings, manage users. Click that, and it'll take some time. So you have the primary user here, and unfortunately, I cannot assign another user because this is a the basic account. You have to upgrade the subscription for you in order to add another role here. But if you click that, you'll have the opportunity to do that. But the other setting here is the accounting firms, wherein if you wanted to give access, a controlled access to your accountant, all you gotta do is type the email address, make sure that it's correct, and send an invite. He'll receive the notification that you are inviting the person, you know, to to that you are allowing the person to have an access on the account. And that's just about it. Overall, adding and managing users in QuickBooks Online fosters teamwork really, enhances security, and optimizes financial management processes. It's a valuable feature for all sizes, whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or a financial professional. And that's it. You've successfully did that. And always don't forget to subscribe and join our community. If you got thoughts, questions, or ideas, share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until then, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thanks.